Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. The US continues to push on a reasonable rate, and that is just increasing the debate now about when the Federal Reserve will look to increase interest rates. Certainly most agree that obviously rates in the US are artificially too low and have been kept to that level to stimulate the economy and get some growth coming back in there. But now with unemployment really falling at dramatic rates, it's just a question of when the US Federal Reserve start to increase rates. It looks like sort of June, July of this year. Again, that should be viewed as positive because the reason why interest rates are increasing is because the economy is growing, but also as well, it can stand on its own 2 feet now, and it's got enough sort of momentum going forward to not need the artificial support from the low interest rates. Now obviously the US dollar has strengthened quite a bit on the back of this news, and it'll just be interesting to see how the New Zealand dollar trades against that. I think most people feel that once US interest rates start to increase, then the New Zealand dollar will come under quite a bit of pressure. Also as well, we're starting to creep closer to that final instalment for the Meridian shares. So that's that extra 50 cents that has to be paid in May. And if you go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz, there's a useful link there with all the dates and how you can actually make those payments. Payments have to be made between the 6th and the 15th of May. And so if you are away during that period, there is a link on the site to be able to receive an email confirmation and make that payment via electronic banking. With KiwiSaver as well, as we head towards a sort of cut-off date for June for that tax credit, just maybe want to check that balance and make sure you have contributed the $1,042 for to get the maximum tax credit for the year. If you haven't or you're unsure about that, call us on 0800 867 323 and we'll be able to talk you through the process. So to summarise, I say KiwiSaver and Meridian, go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz or call us on 0800 867 323. We look forward to speaking to you soon.